Good morning. My name is Guadalupe and I own Family Tacos, and we're going to be cooking here at Free Water School. We're going to make some Pico de Gallo, which is salsa. It comes with different vegetables, which are really healthy for you. And we're going to be also cooking rice and beans and a green salsa for you guys. So I'm going to start off with chopping. I already washed my hands. Make sure you wash your hands. I'm going to start with the Pico de Gallo. Chopping everything up. It's fun and it's really easy. You guys can help your parents cook before they come home from work, and they would be really happy if you did. I'm gonna start peeling the mangoes. You have to be really careful. You can use the knife or a peeler, which makes it way easier. They're kind of green, that's all I found, but they're still really good. I'm going to chop this up. You can slice it in small cubes, or however big you want it to make it easier. Make sure you keep your hands away from the knife. I'm just going to put this in a bowl. And the cubes don't have to be perfect. You could just have fun with it however you like it. Cucumbers, the same thing. You can cut them in cubes or little squares, whatever you like. I'm using 2 cucumbers, but if you only have one or whatever you have on hand, you can practically add anything to this Pico de Gallo. You can add all the different kinds of vegetables. You could even add corn to it. Carrots, zucchini, shredded zucchini. You can even add some beets in there. Now we're going to add some onion. You just have to make sure you take off the skin, and you can cut it in little cubes or whatever you like. And you have to be enjoying what you do, which I love cooking. It's really fun and easy. And not only that, you can cook with your mom, with your friends, with your siblings, and you're helping out. And like I said, this doesn't have to be perfect. I'm doing it easy. That way you guys can just cut it however you want to or can. They're kind of strong, so I might be crying a little bit. And you can also add the whole onion, or you can add half. I think I'm just going to add half because it's pretty strong. Now we're going to add some avocado, which is really good for you. You can just cut it from the inside, make it into little cubes. And then you could squeeze it out, make it easier. Or you can get a spoon and take it out with the spoon. And like I said, they don't have to be too small or perfect. Any way you can cut them. I'm going to cut the second avocado, and I'm going to cut this in little cubes. This is half of avocado. I just go in here with the knife and then just cut it in little cubes. And that's the way it looks. And then we'll just add it in the bowl. And you can add as much avocado as you like. And any of the vegetables, you could add more. We're going to start chopping the bell pepper in little small squares. And this smells really good. Make sure you take out all the seeds as much as you can. And like I said, just make it fun. Don't worry about how they're gonna come out. Just cut them the way you can. Now we're gonna cut up an apple, and this makes it taste really good, really fresh. You can use the peeler or you can use the knife, whatever is easier. Looks pretty good. And you can also peel the apple or leave one with the skin. We're gonna leave one with the skin just for color. We're just gonna cut the sides. And normally when I'm cooking, it's a lot easier if you have music on. And if you have people around you, it's a lot funner. And if you're helping, it really does help mom and dad. So now we're gonna start mixing things. Very colorful. And like I said, you could add even more stuff to this. And there's different ways to make this picadillo, pico de gallo. People make it different ways. Some people just add onion, cilantro, jalapeno, and some lime juice, and salt and pepper. That's pretty how they do it. Now we're gonna start chopping up the tomatoes. Just cutting them in little squares. Gonna put the tomatoes in there. And now we're gonna put some lime juice in there. And you can put 1, 2, whatever you like. These are very juicy, as you can see. Now I'm gonna chop up this jalapeno. I'm only adding 1 today. I normally put a lot more because I like spicy food, but it's up to the person, however they like it. And like I said, I'm just cutting it. However, you don't have to be perfect at this. Just make sure you're having fun, have a little bit of music, be with your family, enjoy the time together. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of cabbage. Very easy to cut. Now we're going to mix everything together. And you can also add a little bit of salt. Not much. If you guys like pepper, you can also add pepper in there. We're just adding salt today. And here we go, it's all done.